के यहाँ रे रूप तेरा सारा चंद्रमा जो आधा जवारे आधा जवारे. Time now is 4:54.
And the commode.
And see, flat tire. पंचर चल रहा है. स्टेपनी बदलने में मदद करो क्या? Steep after the torch. It's like this. Just watch how they're walking. हिमालय के गोद में जहाँ बादल ज़मीं को छूते हैं, वहाँ बहती है एक पवित्र धारा, माँ यमुना के रूप में. ये यमुनोत्री के घाट सिर्फ पानी नहीं, यहाँ हर बूंद में शक्ति है, श्रद्धा है और शांति है. कहा जाता है कि माँ यमुना सूर्यदेव की पुत्री और यमराज की बहन है. उनका स्पर्श जीवन में पवित्रता लाता है और मृत्यु के भय से रक्षा करता है. Good morning guys from where are we? Good morning guys, namaste from Haridwar. We are ready to leave to Gangotri now. So it's an 8.5 hours approximate journey, and they're struggling to keep all our heavy luggage since it's a 15-day trip, so definitely you need that much of luggage. Trying to accommodate that. Just wishing myself and all of us all the best for this Char Dham Yatra. I hope Mahadev, Narayan and all God blesses us with a happy, safe and a healthy journey. Har Har Mahadev. This is where we stayed guys. Trust me, it's really good. If you're coming to Haridwar, definitely you can think of staying in this place. Food is mind-blowing. It is a very homely food, and the interiors, as I've shown you in the video, is amazing. So yeah, the packing is going on. Started this week already. Felt like as if I saw.
Yeah, whatever. If we have time now, we can come and sit here. It's very nice.
So that
Guys, the weather is so gloomy and look at the climate, but the heat waves are on. Still, it feels like a furnace. It feels like, so humid. And this is where we are having our first called Dhaba 90s on the way to Dehradun. And this is also another dhaba, Khaira Dhaba. This was suggested by our hotel manager and said, yeah, we are going here. Look at us during touristy days saying, oh wow, it happens only in India. This kind of a trip to see this is touristy. Oh, this is seriously like wow. This beautiful view I'm gonna show. This is on the way to Barkot, and this place, this particular valley, this spot is called as Damka. So we just saw this beautiful view behind, and we decided to take a break here and stop over. And I'll show you the view here too. The valleys, the streams, the water streams, the beauty of Uttarakhand is this hill station and the lush green mountains, and more than anything, it is that misty view that you can see here. I hope you can see. I'll show you the view later. Can you see that? Can I touch that? Am I able to? Yeah. So yes, this is a beautiful spot. This is Damka village, valley. Yeah, Damka valley or village. On the way to Barkot. While you're going to Yamunotri.
It's not raining.
This is pomegranate. I thought this is chepekai. It's a pomegranate tree, guys. And see, flat tire. पंचर चल रहा है. स्टेपनी बदलने में मदद करो क्या?
नहीं
हो जाएगा. महादेव की कृपा, कुछ नहीं हुआ. कितना रिस्की है, बाप रे. ನೋಡಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ತಿಂತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಿಂತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಮಲ್ಟಿಗ್ರೇನ್ ಸೇವ್.
Multi-grain, multi-color.
ಮಲ್ಟಿ ಕಲರ್ 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 ಕಲರ್. ನೋಡಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಹೇಳ್ತಾವ್ರೆ.
ಇದೇನಿದು? ಹಲ್ದಿ.
ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ ಕಲರ್ ಹಲ್ದಿ.
This is ragi.
ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಬೀಟ್ರೂಟ್.
ಪಂಚರಂಗಿ ಸೇವ್. ಪಂಚರಂಗಿ ಸೇವ್.
ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಬೀಟ್ರೂಟ್.
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಬ್ರೌನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಕೇಳಬೇಡಿ, ಭಯಂಕರವಾಗಿದೆ ಕಲರ್.
Whatever is this.
ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ.
ಚಂದ್ರಮ ಆದಾ ಜವಾರಿ ಆದಾ ಜವಾರಿ ಸಿ ಅದೇ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್. Hey guys, so time now is 4:08 and we just reached Barkot. Can you see the view there? That is the snow and the mist. This is the resort that we are staying. It's called Pine Hills and Resort, and look at the view here. This is so beautiful. I just can't believe my Char Dham trip has started, guys, and this is such a beautiful view. Okay, can you see the view? See that? See that? See that? See that? See that? Mahadev, I'm so happy. I feel so blessed that I got this. I feel so happy that I'm part of this place, this moment, this trip. The manifestations really do work. It just comes true when you're doing it wholeheartedly with pure intentions you put into the universe, and this is what you get. So guys, now as I told, the time now is 4:08 p.m. and we are here. We just reached the resort. Now we are going to have lunch because we are actually half empty. We just had some munchies on the way, and after that we'll see what to explore and where to go. We still have no idea. There's absolutely zero network over here, so it's a zero network zone, and I'm kind of loving this big break from all the chaos in the city, and the nature is definitely going to help me in healing in all ways. So yes, I'll show you the view. Every time I see such view, I'll be like, ye hasi baati. I get that. Can you see that? It's so beautiful. This is the view, and behind this is Yamunotri. So we are right now in Barkot, and Yamunotri is 46 kilometers from here. Tomorrow morning we'll be starting our trek post breakfast. And they're calling me, so now I'm going for lunch. See, I told you. Quick room tour. That's a divan. That's my jacket. Ignore kijiye please. And this is the cot. This is where we will sleep. And this is the TV unit. We have kept our luggages here. And this is me. I'm in a hippie kind of attire. There is light, there is fan. No AC. AC is definitely not required in this area. So yeah. Time now is 7:30. Just relaxing in the room, listening to my favorite, not listening, actually watching nice video songs on YouTube. Just vibing alone. Pinny and Auntie have gone for a walk. I don't want to. I'm just trying to preserve my energy so that tomorrow I shouldn't feel exhausted. So.
Tempo travelers. Luggage is still coming down.
Hi guys, time now is 9:18 p.m. and we just finished our dinner. We had dal, chawal, roti, paneer ki sabzi, lauki sabzi. It was decent enough. It was good. Better than what we had in the afternoon, dal khichdi especially. So now we are just walking to let our food get digested and also to kind of acclimatize to the weather. But yeah, the weather isn't that cold. It is almost like Bangalore weather only, somewhere around 28, 26, 28 I guess. Not that chilly or cold, but still I'm wearing jerkin. I don't know, yeah, jacket. I'm still wearing jacket because I'm someone who cannot tolerate cold weather. I like it normal. Only Bangalore weather suits me, neither hot nor too cold. So yeah, I'm here. So I'm wearing jacket, though it is Bangalore kind of weather, but still I don't want to feel too cold or fall sick, end up having a migraine or sinus. So I just decided to wear the jacket and just simply walking now. Now walking back. It's manageable weather though, and tomorrow we are starting our trek. Distance 48 kilometers from this place to the base of the trek, and from there we're starting our trekking. 6 kilometers one way, 6 kilometers another way, and let's see how it goes. Pretty excited. Good morning guys, we are now heading to Yamunotri. I'm so clueless. We're now heading to Yamunotri and having my first glass of hot water that I have these days in the morning. So start with having hot water, and weather is really very pleasant. It's just like Bangalore weather. It is not that cold nor hot nor warm, nothing, but there you can like, as per the weather forecast, they say that there could be a shift in the weather change. So we've still carried thermals and all the raincoat kind of rain essentials. So this is my outfit. Okay, I made a separate video of the outfit links, so you can check out in the video. I'll put it here, and yeah, let's see how it goes. As per the news, there's a bad news, there's a sad news that Kedarnath helicopter, again there's a helicopter crash that has happened. 7 people were killed, so they might have suspended Kedarnath darshan. Just hoping it is not. So let's see how it goes. Okay, let's still pray to God, and I'm still hoping that we will have his darshan. Let's see how it goes. We got our food packed. Our car is ready and we are ready to hit 48 kilometers to touch the base of Yamunotri and start our trek. I see some people here. Okay. This is where we are staying.
हाँ मैं यहीं पे पार्किंग में रहूँगा. अब इंस्ट्रक्शन दे दो हमको क्या कहते हैं.
Reached Yamunotri base trek, which is Janki Chetty. With Janki Chetty, we are right now. Snow mountains in the background. It is pretty cold, and the place is very stinky with all the public toilets and all that. So it's pretty cold because of the snow mountains. Can you see in the background there? So we're gonna carry the hiking sticks here, and then we'll proceed to have breakfast, which we have packed for ourselves. No mountains, snowing there, I guess. We just started the trek now, and can you see the start of the trek is little inclined. It is like towards up, like too inclined. Auntie cannot walk. Auntie cannot walk, so she is taking palki. She paid 5,000. She is paying 5,000, and the place where we are starting is like that is the place where we will trek. That is where we'll go, and you will find a medical shop over here. I hope I'm audible. You'll find medical shops over here, and this is the route that you will take for the trekking. So once we get the palki thing done, we'll resume our trek.
हो जाएगा क्यों नहीं होगा. जैसे आप नीचे से बैठे ना, आप ऊपर आइए ना एक बार. नहीं नहीं तो नहीं ये आप बैठो ना. आप बैठिए ना, ऊपर जाइए ना, ऊपर.
This is made of thermostyrene, if you can see, and there has something blankets as a cushion, and this is a bar that you will be holding. So think before you go for palki, because it looks easy but it's really uncomfortable on your back. She finally got into it. Now they're taking her palki. This looks good but also looks uncomfortable, so think before you go.
सुनिए आ जाओ
See, everywhere you will find shit of Goda and Kachar and
I would suggest you guys to please not trouble these animals, yaar. Look at that. हाँ. हर हर गंगे हर हर महादेव. Now, let's get going. See this? You'll see all this. It's slippery, so always buy danda or sticks which has this pointed cone kind of thing. Okay. And look at the view. Wow.
Yamunotri is nestled in the lap of Garhwal Himalayas in Uttarakhand. The trek begins at Janki Chetty. It's a small base town located at an altitude of about say 2650 meters, and the distance that you have to cover is approximately 6 kilometers. You can cover the trail by either foot, that is by trekking, or pony or dolly, and also pittu rides. The temperatures here drop significantly during early mornings, and you can expect sudden mountain showers too.
After 1 kilometer, next 5 kilometers, the terrain, the stretch is little difficult, and here it is steep and very inclined. So you can see here the sticks will help you in getting the grip of this. So I suggest you and recommend you to go for sticks, come what may. See this, especially the pointed ones. Yeah. Place, it is 4 kilometers more to reach the main destination. Let's get going. Steep. After that arch, it's like this. There's a warm-up exercise before you go to Kedarnath. It's a pre-exam, he said. So, yeah. Not easy, but not impossible though. It's nice. It's a nice experience. Look at the ghodas and kachars here. So many are out there. And so after the arch, especially after for next 4 kilometers, it is too steep. See the snow-capped mountains. Just watch how they're walking. Yeah. See how she is climbing. आपका नाम दादी? लीला. कितने अच्छे से आप चढ़ रहे हो, बिना पिट्टू लिए, बिना डोली लिए. क्या उम्र है आपके? 70. Look at this, guys. Take this as an inspiration. Please don't trouble animals. I know it's for their livelihood, but only if you can, come. Don't trouble and you'll not get any punya, in my opinion. Anyways, look at that.
Always wear sturdy shoes with a good grip, and carry a raincoat or poncho as weather changes really very fast here. Keep water, light snacks, basic medicines in case you feel the oxygen level drop.
Another 2.5 kilometers to go, and it is really very steep. It's all this.
Oh, you put low. Oh, you put low.
Tired. $89 come at least. I think they are behind only 1 kilometer, but we just come 3 kilometers now. Another 3 kilometers to go. Not done yet. Sitting right under the shade. Stuck break. Legs are hurting. Stretching a bit. And it has the energy bar now, and then this is how steep it is, guys. And that's how we came. And now we are going. Time now 10:07. We still have a long way to go. If you can't come, please don't come. But don't trouble anyone. Yeah. We've taken breaks. Now we don't want to get comfortable sitting for too long, so we started walking again. So yeah, having energy bar so that I can take this place. More to go. From that time I'm thinking that we had come halfway. Now I see that we are still 2 kilometers away. The view is like this. I'll show you. Can you see the view behind? And now it's 12:18. Yamunotri 500 meters distance. I purchased 50 rupees Fanta water. Apparently needed that for a push. And yeah, 100 meters more. We did it. We made it. Let's go.
Okay, so I'm sharing my personal experience when I went here. So basically what happens is you will start feeling very tired and you'll start asking everybody who has just finished the trek who's coming down, right? So people will start telling you that you're just 1 kilometer away, you're just 1 kilometer away. So until and unless you don't see this arch here and all the Goda Kachars parked and also the Pittu riders who are sitting on the left side, please do not believe that the trek is done. According to Hindu mythology, Yamuna is the daughter of Surya, sun god, and sister of Yama, god of death. It is believed that bathing in Yamuna's icy waters in Surya Kund, which is also hot spring, absolves one of sins and protects you from untimely death due to her love and promise given to her brother Yama.
Going towards the Kund now. This is hot spring. It's burning hot. See that? It's burning hot. People are taking bath here. And where is the ladies' side? I don't know. So there's a Hemkund. There's a kund there. You have to go have bath in that hot springs. And your choice. And then come to the darshan over here, and then there's a Surya Bhagwan Mukti also, so Surya God, pray there and come. I'm waiting here to take care of my Pinny's shoes because she was doing it for when I went. There are food stalls before you enter and exit. I don't know what are the prices, but I'm scared. We are now descending. We have come almost to the base of Janki Chatti. Successfully completed. You can't hear me, I'm reading. Okay. After that bridge, it is a landmark that you have almost completed, Annattu. So yeah.
नीचे लिख दे, बोलू तो बिछड़ा यार। और पीछे जाओ, पूरा बोट चारों को आना चाहिए।
His hands are like bonus.
ताको जाओ ताको।
Mountain dogs are so cute, hefty.
आ गया जी।
गोलू मोलू.
दिखाई दो।
As I take final steps back from Yamunotri, I carry with me more than just some visuals. I carry the silence of mountains, the chill of the river, and the blessings of Ma Yamuna. This place isn't just a destination, it is a feeling of surrender, strength, and sacred peace. If this journey has touched your heart, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, stay blessed. ये यात्रा सिर्फ एक सफ़र नहीं था, ये एक अनुभव था। फिर मिलेंगे एक और पवित्र धाम पे। जय माँ यमुना।